Hey everyone, so we're doing another day of fun bubble stuff. Today we're doing DIY bubble wands. So we're gonna use pipe cleaners. You can also use old wire coat hangers that are just not working as a hanger anymore. These are pony beads. You can use any beads really that will run up pipe cleaners or your coat hanger. Pony beads are just these like generic rounded beads. And then we've got our DIY bubble solution from one of our previous videos. You can use any kind of bubble solution, or you can go check out that video to make your own before you make your own wands or after you make your own wands. Either way. All right, let's get started. So today we're making our own bubble wands. We're using pipe cleaners. You can use any color. They come in like super variety bags. So you're gonna take one end, and we're gonna start with like just the regular rounded bubble wand look. So you make your little rounded. It doesn't have to be perfectly circular or anything. If you want it to be perfectly circular, don't worry about that until after you've got it twisted around itself like that. So now you can kind of round it out with your fingers a little better. It's still not gonna be, I mean, this is a little bit better. It's like a balloon. It's still not gonna be like perfectly round because it does come and meet down here. All right, and then we're gonna bead along our pipe cleaner. So it's just like whatever color beads you want. You can do just a fun variety of colors. I'm gonna do some pinks and blues because those colors look really well with this brown that I have for this pipe cleaner. And I have a nice variety of pinks and blues in here. Blush color. Okay, so I'm leaving a bit of a tail, and that is so we can now knot off the bottom of this pipe cleaner so that your beads don't go flying off. I might have needed to leave myself a little bit more of a tail to make this less difficult on me. But I let my OCD of the pattern get the better of me. So I finished my first wand. I went ahead and made two more. This one's got a green heart. And this one's got what was supposed to just be a regular star, and I've decided it's a starfish because it's a little funkadoodle, but you know, that's art. And we've got our bubble solution. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the round one, and we're just gonna go ahead and dunk it in there. We wanna get it nice and saturated so that pipe cleaner really holds the bubbles. Oh yeah, that looks great. And then you're just gonna go ahead and, well, that just popped right away. It started to blow bubble. There we go. Oh, that was big. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, so there's one. Let's see if we can get this heart back out after we get it in. Oh, and in case anyone's wondering, this is the one. This is the bubble solution that's edible. I.e. it's got sugar in it. When it pops near my face, I can immediately taste sugar. Or just try it out with different bubble solution and see if that helps too. Try again. Oh yeah, it's the starfish. So if you can, make yours look like a funkadoodle starfish. All right, well, we'll see you next time. I hope you enjoyed making bubble wands with us, and that we'll see you for our next bubble activity, because yes, there are always more bubble activities. All right, thanks so much. Bye.